Welcome on behalf of Forsyth and Thomas Skelly, who's been proudly marketing the property. My name's Brian Cannon. I'm going to be your auctioneer. Once again, thank you for joining us, ladies and gentlemen. We have a fabulous property to be able to put to public auction here today.
I specifically requested Thomas to look after this sale. He knows the area. He also has a very in-depth understanding of the Sydney real estate market.
So an opening bidder offer to staff me way at 1.35. 1.4 bidder number 9, 1.45 bidder number 5, 1.45 it is, 1,460,000, 1.470, 1.475, 1.49, 1.49 and 5, 95, 1.5 and 5 more, 1.510 bidder number 6, 1.515, 1.518, 1.5 and 20, first, second. Put your hands together. Bidder number 1, 1.5 and 20. You're the new owner. Thank you very much for your bidding.
Professional, punctual. I would definitely, use Thomas again for my next property, and I would strongly suggest him to anybody who is looking to sell.